Hello guys, again Tabboys. We are in our third tab, which is design tab. Design tab doesn't have a lot, but we are going to touch a few things. We have themes. Theme are preset designs, are preset formattings that you can give to a document. So for example, if we have our document selected, I have used the shortcut Ctrl A, so selecting, and then I come to themes. So when you point at the themes, you'll see some changes to the document. We point a different theme, a different change, especially on colors. You can recognize that from our hyperlink, the hyperlink we added. So you realize it is changing color because of the change in the theme. So that is what a theme is. So a combination of the preset designs. Then we have something else called formattings. Still they are preset formattings. So this one has spacing, colors, etc. So whenever we choose a different design or a different formatting, it will give a different spacing and format to the document. So ukipoint hiyo inakuletea tofauti etc. So that is it. About colors, it's about the color specifically you want to choose. So ukihover your mouse over the different colors, you realize the change in the color, especially for the hyperlink, because that is what has been highlighted. About fonts, still you can change from here. You can change from there, but you realize most of these things are the things that we have already done in the home tab. So let me emphasize on what we have not covered. One is the watermark. What is a watermark? A watermark is a text or even a picture that you add to text or to a document that appears at the background. For example, you can write something that is maybe original. Unaiandika original, so even though it will be fainted, although it will be seen at the background, unaiandika. For example, you can choose this confidential to become your watermark in the document that we have. So ukiclick away, utaona that word confidential closing there. So it is a watermark. Tunaita watermark because it has a lighter color compared to the text that is there. You can also customize your watermark instead of having the ones that we only have here, kina confidential, do not copy etc. Tuitengeneze yetu. So una click hapo custom watermark, then inakuletea hapa no watermark, but this time we choose we want we have alternatives. Unaweza chagua we want a picture watermark. Ukisema picture watermark, itakwambia uchague the picture, select picture. So this time I don't want us to select picture. Ukichagua picture, you just do it the way we have been doing others. So for example, inaweza kuwa ni logo ya institution, logo ya kampuni, ndio unataka ikuwe your watermark. Here I want us to use text watermark. The text that you want to appear, you type it here. For example, this one tutaiandika, it is original. Kama unaitaka in capital letter, hivyo ndio itakuja. Ukitaka in maybe a different font, wewe ndio unaiset how you want it appear. Size, let it be auto, and then kuna diagonal ama horizontal. Diagonal kama hii yetu ya confidential was diagonal. Horizontal itaenda across, and then you can say okay, so let it remain diagonal. Yes, we have it there. We can be able to see our word original ikipanda hivyo. So that is a watermark. The next thing we can be able to add using design tab is page color. You click on the drop down, you choose a color of your choice. Document yako unataka ikuwe color gani? That means it's like a background color. Unachagua color yenye unataka. So you don't choose, as I said, a very deep color. Unachagua easy right colors so that your document still will look decent. So let me choose that color for myself. Then you have page borders. For borders, at this time we have none, so you select page borders and then it gives you a dialog box. So hapa inaonyesha we have none, but you can choose to have box borders izunguke the entire document. And then you choose style, hiyo border yako ikae aje. We can choose these 3 lines as our border, and then we can give it a color. Let us choose a color that is matching the color that we have added. For example, we can choose that color, so you can deep sana, and then we can choose the width, kama unataka konde sana ama pana kidogo, you choose from them, and then you click on, so apply where, apply to this section, maybe the first page ama the whole document, sababu itakuwa ni kila page na nini yake na border yake. And then you click on okay. So you'll have, or we have now that border, tuko na hiyo border kwa our document. So ukiangalia, that is the first page and the second page, zote ziko na border sababu tumesema apply to entire document. So we can want to change the border, so tuende hapo bado page borders, and this time I want box borders, but this time I want us choose an art instead of having these lines or style, tuchague art. So kuna zingine zinaitwa art hapa. We click on the drop down, choose an art that we desire. They are many, so unachagua yenye inakufurahisha. So myself, let me choose that one, and then again to the whole document, and then click on okay. So what we used to have, or what we had as the other border, imechange to art. So unachagua one of your choice. So you can see how smart the document is now. So that is all in the design tab, designing how the appearance of your document will be. Thank you. Let us meet in the next